Hi, and welcome to Monday, March 2nd, 2026. I'm Dr. Xeturah Woodley, and this month I'm taking on posting every single day as I build up this YouTube channel to support my business. I'm a small business owner here in Albuquerque, and I want to share with you as I'm getting this arm of my business started, which is a stationery shop. So on today's video, I'm going to take a couple of minutes and I am going to share with you what my plan is for today, as well as share some of the technology things I'm dealing with as I'm starting to get this channel up and running. Welcome to the show. Greetings all, I'm Dr. Xeturah Woodley. I am a former university professor and retired community college administrator who now runs a small business here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. So welcome to the channel. Now listen, today I am going to focus on quickly just telling you about what my plans are for today, what my content creation plans are, as well as tell you a little bit about the shop that I'm working on building up here. So let me start off by telling you about the plans for today. Today, I am planning to test my iPhone camera. So what you're watching me on right now is my iPhone. It's brand new. I've had it all of like 3 days. And the only reason I got an iPhone is because my Motorola died. Like, technology, it always fails. You know, one of the things I used to teach as a university professor was how to use technology in your classroom. And I always have students make a backup plan because technology always fails. Now, luckily, I was able to get a replacement phone pretty quickly. But that phone that died was my business phone. So I went ahead and got an iPhone. So I'm using Ecamm Live on my computer along with my iPhone to record today's video. All right, so today my plan is to shoot video footage of the work of transforming what used to be my YouTube studio / office workspace here at home into a studio for producing stationery items. In particular, I'm going to be working on my magnetic bookmarks. This is my little bear one. I love my little magnetic bookmarks. My teaching is a work of heart. Those are a couple of my magnetic bookmarks. I'll be working on those today, as well as getting pictures taken this morning so that I could post them on my Shopify store. And I also need to work here in the studio space to get it cleaned up and organized, because right now it's a hot mess. It's just a mess. And so I got to work on my studio space. In the meantime, I started teaching 2 classes online today for our local community college. So I stayed up a little late last night, making sure the content was set and ready to go. I'll need to check in on students, but I'll be able to do that. I'm going to do that here really quickly. And then I will do most of the work on my online courses after hours in the evening. So that is the plan for today. I also need to find that I have a microphone that you can hook on, like one of the Rode mics, to hook on to my collar. I'll be working on that today. But a lot of what I need to do is get organized. And so I'm going to start off today's session with a brain dump. And then from there, I'll be able to make a better plan for the day. All right. So that is all I'm covering on today's video. I'll definitely get a short done today. I'm going to have to put that on the list. Can you see why I need to do a brain dump and then plan out my stuff? I want to get a short done today so that that can launch by tomorrow morning. And I think that's it for right now. One of the things I'm really cognizant of is when you're becoming a content creator for your business or for your life, you really need to have structure around where your camera equipment is, what your content is going to be. And so one of the things that I'm really masterful at is planning and putting systems in place. And so this month really is going to give me a chance to identify what those systems are that I need to put in place in order to be consistent in my content creation as I launch this new arm of my business. All right, I'm looking at my camera. That is it for today. Listen, thanks so much for taking some time to watch my channel today. I appreciate it. If you have any suggestions or comments, go ahead and leave those in the comment area below. I appreciate your taking some time to help me be accountable as I go through and create content here on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching and have a terrific day. See you tomorrow.